If you're thinking about using Arold AI, this brand new AI software everyone's talking about, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. And trust me, the last one might surprise you. You can try Arold AI completely free from the first link below, so there's zero risk to check it out for yourself. But before you do, here's exactly what you're getting into, and why this might be one of the most practical tools released this year. Stick around, because in a moment I'll share one unexpected feature that's honestly a game changer, but barely anyone's talking about. Arold AI is designed for fast, high-quality content generation. Think emails, social posts, blogs, and even ad copy, with an interface so intuitive you won't need a tutorial to get started. It's clearly geared toward marketers, creators, and solopreneurs who want pro-level output without spending hours editing AI gibberish. It's powered by one of the latest LLMs, but goes beyond basic prompt response tools like ChatGPT by offering goal-based writing flows. So instead of typing, "Write me a blog about productivity," you're walked through a mini workflow that clarifies your goal, audience, and tone. Then it generates something 10x more usable. One thing I really like, you can store brand voice profiles. This means Arold AI will remember your tone, formatting preferences, even product details, so you don't have to repeat yourself every time. It's a massive time saver, especially if you're running multiple brands or client accounts. The built-in editor is fast, distraction-free, and lets you tweak your tone or length instantly with a single click. This isn't a dumb rewrite tool. It actually refines based on your original brief. And that's where Arold AI stands out from most new AI tools. They've also nailed multi-platform content output. You can generate a blog post, then with one click turn it into an email, a tweet thread, a LinkedIn post, and a YouTube script, all from the same content block. That alone justifies the tool for marketers juggling multiple channels. Now, the wildcard feature I didn't expect. Automated competitor-style breakdowns. You can feed in a competitor's landing page or blog, and Arold AI will summarize the tone, CTA structure, and value props, then let you create content in the same style. Super useful for product marketers and copywriters needing fast inspiration without stealing copy. Honestly, for a just released AI software, Arold AI feels far more polished than most tools I've reviewed in the last few months. It's not bloated with features, it's focused on execution. And that's rare. Again, you can test it free from the first link below and see if it fits your workflow. If you're tired of AI tools that overpromise and underdeliver, this is a solid one to watch. And if you're serious about building with AI, I've listed my top recommended AI tools in the description. These are the ones I personally use after testing thousands.